Hello, it's Marco from DPlugins, and today's topic is how to solve the problem of not messing with the JSON too much with the block themes. The problem is if you want to change the font size presets, you need to go here and then you need to update it, or you can just, for the fluid typography, you can go here and then, since this is not a JSON file, you will need to copy this one and then paste one by one. And if you want to change some value, it's a headache, definitely. And I love the block themes and I love developing with the block themes, but then the problem is if you want to have the block theme from the scratch, you are going into a huge problem because, for example, you don't want to mess with the JSON, because it's definitely, if you're not a developer, if you're not familiar with the JSON object, it's going to give you a lot of headache. So we have the solution for you with Winden. And how it's going to work, let's start creating the theme from scratch. So under the appearance, what I'm having is create block theme plugin, and let's just create new blank theme. So let's call it Winden. Theme is created, and what you can see here is if you want to style something, you have the default typography sizes. If you want colors, you have only defaults, you don't have anything. That's okay. So what we're going to do is, let's go to the Winden, and under the settings you just need to press this to register visa data into block theme. After that we will create colors, we will create the font sizes, and we're going to create the spaces. So let's just add two colors. One is the neutrals. Let's call this brand. Perfect. Close it. Maybe we want to change the brand color. If you log the naming, you can change the colors without changing the name, and this is good for now. So we're going to save it. Let's reload. Perfect. Let's test the color. So what you can see here, we have the neutrals and we have the brand color, but this is definitely too much. You don't need all of them. So let's just adjust that one. So we maybe need one for the background. Maybe this is for the default, and maybe this one can be for the hover, and maybe this one can be also for the darker background as well. Also for the neutrals, let's just keep those two, and maybe this one for the text. Perfect. Let's save it. Let's reload. And you can see now we optimize the colors right away. So what you can do is you can apply the colors, as you can see, and the point is if you have some existing theme that you're using and you need this as additional, this is going to collect all the theme colors, and it's going to give you the theme colors plus the Winden colors, so you're not going to lose anything if you're in the current project. So what you can see here, we have the font sizes as well. You can adjust the font sizes as you need, so maybe you don't like those. Let's save it, and if you go to the font sizes, sorry, we need to reload. So you can see here, you can add this one, and that's it. You are literally ready to go. You have also the spaces, so you can adjust the spacing values as well, and under the padding you can see that you have all all the spaces as well. And the key is, if you want some adjustment, you can do it here, you can save it, and you're not going to lose anything. Only the values are going to be updated. So what you can do here now is you can start creating your theme. So maybe you don't like this one, so let's just go to the stylings, blocks. You can find the blocks and you can set up defaults right away. So maybe system font large, save, and you see how we can already start creating a theme. I'm going to create one more video with the in-depth how to create your custom block theme, so you don't need to actually use the predefined themes with a lot of junk. But let's just do the basic here. So I'm going to first, for the colors, text color, I want neutrals to be, and then for the background we can use this one, or maybe we want this one. For the links we want those ones, and you can see how your theme is starting to shape right away. For the typography, for the headings, we can use the sizing. This one, H2, it can be this one, and that's it. In just a couple of clicks, without the headache of diving into the JSON file, you can create your own block themes from scratch. Hopefully you like the new features. If you have more suggestions or you have some comments about this one, please leave it in the comments, give us a like, and subscribe to get more useful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and bye!